want you to put your hands over your heart and reconnect with yourself. And then I want you to ask yourself this question. How peaceful and supportive does your space feel in reflecting who you are and who you're becoming? And you can give yourself a number between 1 and 10. Where are you at with that right now? And write that down. I have a hard time remembering numbers, so write it down. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do some tapping. And if you know the emotions or the beliefs that you have that are blocking you from creating this peace in your life, in your home, then I want you to go ahead and think of those. Replace my words, use your own. Use your intuition to help guide you through this tapping. So go ahead and tap on your karate chop point, side of your hand. Some people like to do it like this. Doesn't matter. Either way is fine. That just helps to activate the energy. All right, now go ahead. Okay, my tapping is a little bit different. I like to incorporate the chakras into tapping. This is what downloaded from God one time when I was trying to go to sleep. And so this is what I like to use. So as you are tapping, we're going to be starting with the root chakra, and we're going to be pulling up these lower vibrational emotions and limiting beliefs. And then I will walk you through a meditation to give it to God or your higher power. I'm going to use God, translate it however you like in your mind. So go ahead and tap on your eyebrow point. And we're going to be tapping these out of the root chakra. Even though I am angry, because I'm always running around and never have time to just sit and relax, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Take a deep breath in. Side of the eye, tapping it out of your sacral chakra. Even though I feel guilty, because I never take time for myself and always put everyone else first, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Under the eye, tapping it out of the solar plexus chakra. Even though I act ashamed because my house is a mess and I can't relax until everything is done, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Under the nose, tapping it out of your heart chakra. Even though I hate feeling sad because there is too much noise around me and I can't sit with my own emotions, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Tapping on your chin and pulling it out of the throat chakra. Even though I speak out of frustration because I tell myself I'll do it later when I know I won't, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Collarbone, tapping it out of the third eye chakra. Even though I believe I'm confused because I can't think clearly and I don't feel connected to my own intuition, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Okay, under the arm, tapping it out of the crown chakra. Even though I understand despair, because it feels like I'll never have the time or space to commune with God, I still unconditionally love and accept myself. Okay, now we're going to be tapping on our head. I like to take it from between my eyebrows and tap all the way down to as far down as my neck as I can. And 3 times we're going to say, I am ready to release and let go. Give it a little shake, move the energy. I am ready to release and let go. I am ready to release and let go. Shake it up. Shake it up. Okay. Now I am going to guide you through a meditation to release this emotion, release these beliefs, and give it to God. Or if God is not your higher power, you can imagine it burning up in the sun. Okay, go ahead and close your eyes and put your hands out in front of you. And I want you to imagine these emotions and beliefs that we just tapped out inside your hands, that you're holding them. What color are they? What shape and texture are they? How heavy do they feel? Are they prickly or gooey, slimy, hard? And I want you to imagine God standing in front of you. And he holds his hands out, asking you to give them to him. And as you do, something magical happens. The second they touch his hands, these thoughts and beliefs that you held transform. What do they look like now? What shape and texture are they? What color are they? And he hands them back to you. What do they weigh? Are they light? Do they hold substance? What do you want to do with these new transformed beliefs and emotions? Do you want to bring them into your body? And if so, where? Where do you want to put them? If you choose to bring them into your body, what happens when you place them there? How do you feel now? What experiences, what sensations do you feel in your body? Is there a new emotion that bubbles up? Are there new beliefs that flitter to your mind and your heart? Take note of them. And just feel them for a little while. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Now we are going to be tapping in these new beliefs and emotions. If something came to you during that meditation, I want you to use that. If you need a little guidance, you can repeat what I am saying, but feel free to use your intuition, let God talk to you, and bring in these new beliefs and emotions into our bodies. So now we're going to be pulling them into our bodies, starting with the crown chakra and all the way down to the root chakra, into the core of who you are, and grounding them into the earth. So go ahead and tap on your eyebrow point, pulling it into the crown chakra, these new emotions, beliefs, and the unconditional love of God. I understand that peace is possible for me. I can always find time to connect with God and invite him into my life. Breathe that in. Side of the eye, tapping it into third eye chakra. I believe that clarity is possible for me. I can focus my mind and find a quiet space where I can listen to my own intuition. Under the eye, tapping it into the throat chakra. I speak with calmness to myself and others. I prioritize my time and honor my needs and desires. Under the nose, tapping it into the heart chakra. I love that joy is possible for me and others. I create space to feel my own emotions. Chin, tapping it into the solar plexus chakra. I act with confidence. I trust that spending time in my sanctuary will help me feel more at peace and aligned. I can relax and find peace even as I tend to my home. Collarbone, tapping it into the sacral chakra. I feel empowered. I prioritize my needs and make time for myself while still showing love and care for others. Spending time in my sanctuary brings balance to my life. Under the arm, tapping it into the root chakra. I am grounded. I create time for what truly nourishes my soul and invites Christ's peace into my home. Okay. Now I want you to put your hands in the, I believe it's called the Hakini Mudra. And you can put it at your third eye, at your heart, in your lap, wherever feels good for you. And I want you to focus on grounding, feet flat on the floor, and opening up your crown chakra, lifting your body. And I want you to think of a new affirmation. Maybe it's one that you just tapped in. Maybe it's one that comes to your mind now. But just take a few minutes and really integrate it into the core of your being. Go ahead and say it in your mind a few times. Okay. Well, go ahead and place your hands over your heart again. And I want you to ask yourself this question once again. How peaceful and supportive does my space feel in reflecting who I am and who I'm becoming? And even though you might not have created that space in the physical world yet, I believe that bringing in this energetic space will help you to create that physical space. And go ahead and give yourself a number. How peaceful and supportive does my space feel in reflecting who I am and who I'm becoming? Did that number go up, even if just by one number, 1 point?